Hello everyone, I'm Simon, Marketing Manager of ITC. Today I'm going to introduce you to the TS-0200 series Go Digital Conference System. As you see here, we have the system controller, the chairman unit, a delegate unit, and a simultaneous interpret unit, which means this system is fully integrated with simultaneous interpret function in case of holding a multi-language meeting. Now in a real project, this system service can support 128 units and can be extended to 4096. Now first, let's have a closer look at each one of these products, and then I will tell you why you might be interested. First, let's have a look at the system controller. It is using TCP/IP protocol and embedded with 64 simultaneous interpretation channels. Also, it is fully integrated with fire alarm module and video tracking module. On the front side, you see this very clean design. All the control goes to this touch screen. The meeting mode let you choose from first in, first out, normal, voice, and apply. On the right side, you got to choose how many mic can be active at the same time. Here we got 4 mic can be active at the same time. Set ID is used to set the starting ID of all the conference units. And interpreter is how the interpreter unit will behave. Here we got first in, first out, or lock. Also on the right side, you got to set the ID of the interpreter unit. And the system state is just an overview of the system. Here we got 3 active mic, 2 of them are chairman, 1 interpreter. In the option menu, let you choose the language setting. Here we got English and Chinese, but actually we can write any language you customize. Display is used to change the brightness, background brightness of this touch screen, and default set is used to reset to default, but we're not going to do it. IP set is just an information track, your IP address of this system controller. And also volume is very straightforward, you know what it does. We are good. On the first look, you have a very clean design. All the control goes to 2 buttons and a touch screen. On the left side, we have a headphone jack, and on the right side, an IC card slot used to slide in on meeting if you have one. On the back, we have an electronic table card. And let's have a look at how to control this thing. Mic on, mic off, and this is the chairman speaking mode, used to turn off all other mic except the chairman unit. On the touch screen, these two have the same function as these two, mic off, on, and this is the chairman speaking mode. Now in a multi-language meeting, the channel is used to choose which language you want to hear, and volume up and down. And in the menu, you can change other settings like languages. Here we got Chinese and English. Actually, we can write any languages you customize, as we said before. Also, start signing. This actually is a unique function of the chairman unit. And call for T. Brightness, change the brightness of this touch screen. Start voting, another unique function of the chairman unit. Delegate unit is a much simpler design, both in terms of function and appearance. Only 1 button to control the mic. Also, on the left is headphone jack. On the right, IC card slot. And similar to the chairman unit, on the back we got the electronic table card. Let's have a look at how to control this one. Mic on, mic off, and on the touch screen, this button is the same as this one. Off, on. Also channel to choose the language you want to hear, volume up and down. Change the brightness here, menu. You can choose the language. Here we got English and Chinese by default. The interpretation unit of this system has a black closure All the control goes to this touch screen. It has one built-in speaker, and on the left side you got the headphone jack. Let's go through the menu of this unit. By default, we're on the home screen. On the left side, you could choose the channel input, which is the channel you want to translate from. Right, and also we got 3 shortcut keys for you to set the language you mostly use. Here we got Arabic, Portuguese, and Russian. On the right side, you got to choose the channel output, which is the language you want to translate to. Also 3 shortcut keys. Here we got English, Chinese, and Spanish. On the setup menu, you can choose other settings of this unit. We're not going to go through every detail of it. You can set the interpretation room number, ID, preset channel, and speaking time. The speaking time is used to record how much time the interpreter is working. And also screen brightness adjustment. And you could also use this panel to call for tea, call for help to the control room, telling them I need help, come here please. Microphone on, microphone off. And the cough button is used to turn off the mic temporarily in case you want to cough. Slow down, telling the speaker to slow down, please I can't really follow you. And the volume is also very easy to navigate through. Summarize that this is a highly integrated and multifunctional conference system. Functions including discussing, voting, and grading. Also, it is integrated with simultaneous interpretation module, fire alarm module, and video tracking control module. What's more, we also provide you with a user-friendly, easy-to-use conference management software to install on the PC. Thanks for watching.